All right, I want you to take a moment and look at this problem. This one problem right here, or this one idea in this problem, does trip up a lot of students over time. And it's when we're subtracting. First of all, we have common denominators, so we just leave the denominators the same. 6y squared plus y minus a 2. When we're subtracting, we subtract the numerators. 20y squared plus 5y plus 1, take away. And here's where we trip people up. Watch this, guys. Make sure you pay attention to what's happening here. I'm subtracting this entire term. So I better put parentheses around them. If I don't put parentheses around them, that subtraction or negative sign will only affect that first term, rather than being distributed all the way through. So now that he's written correctly, let's go through, distribute them through. 20y squared plus 5y plus 1 minus 8y squared plus 12y plus 5 all over 6y squared plus y minus 2. All right, I'm going to combine some like terms on the top. I got a 12y squared. You guys pay attention, see if I miss anything. 17y plus a 6. And on the bottom I have a 6y squared plus a y minus a 2. Alright, we're going to see if this guy factors down a little bit, and I think he does factor. And we're going to see what he factors into. I might start on the bottom one first. Just a strategy is if it does factor, I have to find common factors in both the denominator and numerator. The denominator looks a little, I don't know, maybe easier to think through, so that might help me out. Let's try with 3. Let's see, we got like a 3y and a 2y. So 3, if this becomes a 2 over there, 1 and a 2. Okay, I got it. 1. There's a 1 there, and there's a 2 there. And to get my signs right, I want to positive middle term. So this guy has to be positive. That guy has to be negative. All right, there's the factors at the bottom. So I need to find factors like that up top. So let's try a 3y and a 4y. Factors of 6. So 2 and 2, 6 and 1, 1 and 6, 24, 3 and 2. I know you guys probably see it before I do, but let me find it here. 8, 3y, and 9, 9 plus 8. Okay, there we go. So I got a 3y plus a 2 and a 4y plus a 3. Let's double check. 9y plus 8y gives me 17y. There they are. And does appear to be a common term. Those guys cancel out. So I'm left with a 4y plus a 3 all over a 2y minus a 1. Woo! Took a little work there. Had me earn it, but I feel good for doing it. Remember, guys, this was kind of cool, but the part that might trip us up is this negative sign here. We have to make sure that this negative distributes all the way through to the terms behind it. So watch out for that when that happens.